Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make better purchasing decisions without having to read a bazillion reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the mighty Roborock Q Revo, and on the right, the budget-friendly Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. So grab your popcorn and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roborock Q Revo comes in at a wallet-crushing $899. That's right, folks, almost $1,000 for a vacuum. You might need to sell a kidney for this one. Meanwhile, the Kilgone is a mere $267. That's cheaper than a decent pair of sneakers. So if you're looking to save some cash for your next avocado toast, Kilgone's got your back. Okay, price isn't everything. Let's move on to the features. The Roborock Q Revo has a multifunctional dock that does everything but cook dinner. It washes the mop, dries it with hot air, and even self-empties. It's like having a tiny butler that never complains. Kilgone, on the other hand, is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. It's like that friend who says they can play guitar and sing but ends up just being okay at both. It vacuums, it mops, but don't expect it to do your taxes. Suction power time. The Roborock Q Revo boasts an insane 5,500 pascals suction power. That's strong enough to suck the soul out of your carpets. And it has a fancy all-rubber brush to deal with pet hair. Kilgone has strong suction too, but it doesn't specify how much. It's like when someone says they're pretty strong, but can't open a jar of pickles. Still, it gets the job done for most everyday messes. Now for obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Q Revo has reactive tech obstacle avoidance with PresaSense LiDAR navigation. It's basically a robot ninja that can map your house in 3D. Kilgone has 3D precision obstacle avoidance with a 360-degree sensor array. It's more like a cautious grandma who avoids bumping into things. Both are pretty good at dodging your dog's chew toys, but Roborock is just a bit more high-tech. Battery life. The Roborock can handle up to 4305 SQFT on a single tank of water, thanks to its 5L water tank. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums. Kilgone, with its 2,600 mAh battery, can clean up to 1,290 SQFT and runs for about 100 minutes. It's more like a sprinter who needs a nap afterward. So if you live in a mansion, you might want to go with the Roborock. Reviewers praise the Roborock Q Revo for its strong suction power, advanced obstacle avoidance, and multifunctional dock, making it ideal for pet owners and larger homes. However, it comes at a high price. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and satisfactory cleaning abilities, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. All right, Buy Smart family, there you have it. Roborock Q Revo is the high-end choice for those who want all the bells and whistles and don't mind paying for them. Kilgone is the budget-friendly option that still gets the job done without breaking the bank. Which one is right for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy cleaning. Product links are in the description.